In this video, we will learn how to navigate LightYear. Regardless of the module you're working in, navigating LightYear is fairly consistent. Let's address a few key points that will help you get around no matter where you are in the LightYear DMS. Browser drop-down menus, located across the top of the main window, are overview options of a module or specific screen. Some options here can have an effect on the settings of the entire department or affect functionality on a specific screen within a module. Buttons may be considered menus and submenus. Once you access a specific module or button, the options available in your button row will reconfigure themselves to reflect options specific to that screen. You may find that some of these appear repetitive. This is done purposely to allow individuals of various levels of user security the ability to access screens necessary to accomplish their job tasks. Links, which are identified by blue text, are on-screen options that perform specific functions or open submenus needed to accomplish tasks on a given window. For example, clicking the Link Stock link allows you to search current inventory for a vehicle to add to a deal. Drop-down arrows access lists of predetermined options. When active, you can click on a drop-down arrow with your mouse to open a list, or you may hit Page Down on your keyboard to open the list. By clicking the drop-down arrow next to the Salesperson 1 field, we are able to select and assign a salesperson to the deal. Tabs allow you to flip through various sections of a screen. Think of them as extensions of the information you are viewing. By using tabs, we are able to provide more content in a window without packing more information in a small space or having to create huge windows. You are simply able to tab to the section you need at that time before moving on. The Co-Buyer tab contains information about a second customer associated with the deal, which in this case is the customer's wife. Tools are found in the upper left-hand corner of most screens. The three most important tools are Find, Edit, and Insert. Find allows you to search for existing records. Edit allows you to make changes to previously saved records, and Insert allows you to create new records. Find, Edit, and Insert are the keys to navigating LightYear. By default, LightYear is always in view-only mode. It remains this way until you let the system know you intend to update or change a record by clicking Edit. Once your changes are made, save them by clicking OK in the upper right-hand corner of the window. If you choose not to save your changes, you can select Cancel in the upper right-hand corner of the window, just to the left of OK. This will undo any modifications and revert to the last point the record was saved. Many windows have fields that must be populated in order to save information and proceed. Required fields are depicted by blue text. For example, Salesperson 1 is in blue text and is required information, while Salesperson 2 is in black text and is not required. You may have noticed that a single letter in some of the link descriptions is underlined. These letters correspond with key combinations on your keyboard that allow you to perform that function without your mouse. Pressing Alt simultaneously with the underlined letter will execute that function. If you have a suspicion that the information in a field has been modified, or you'd simply like to track your changes to a particular area, you can right-click on any field to open LightYear's Show Field Log. Here, you will be able to see when the change was made, the field name, the original value, the updated value, and the user ID of the person that made the change. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to navigate LightYear.